Hey guys, my name is Alex. I am going to be your guide to Church Hill today. I'm going to show you all there is to love about Church Hill, starting with the most important thing. I'm wearing a California shirt here. I got my VCU shirt on. That's close enough. Let's go out and explore Church Hill and show you what it is that Church Hill is all about. Whether it's the amazing paved sidewalks that are made of bricks or the world-class cuisine that's around every corner, you'll want to come to Church Hill. Oh my God, the bread here, so good. I heard it's a nice place to get your hair done. I'm wearing a hat, but you know, if I did, I'd probably go here. I might not, I don't know, maybe, but you could. I actually don't know what they teach her, but it looks like one of those schools that the bad kids from Disney movies went to. Isn't that cool? And right behind me is St. John's Church, where Sir Patrick Henry, I don't think that's actually a sir, but Patrick Henry went, "Give me liberty or give me death." Isn't that cool? I mean, it wasn't like recent, but it was, you know, I knew that. I don't even know history that well, and I know that. I mean, just look at how many of these history signs are here in Richmond. I mean, I'm not gonna read them all, but I mean, if you're into that, this is great. Listen, maybe you don't want to live in Church Hill. That's okay, you can still adopt a spot here. But probably the one thing that sets Church Hill above everything else is the roundabouts. I mean, if you're coming from a city where the roads are just too damn straight and you're sick of waking up every morning and having a really predictable drive, well then what's a better alternative than these amazing roundabouts that are literally everywhere? I mean, just look at this f***ing sign. It's a death trap. Let's say you're in the mood for Texas-style barbecue and a roundabout. Church Hill. Boom. Remember, there's no wrong answer when you decide where you want to live, unless it's anywhere but Church Hill.